welcome back to today's daily doodle session. Today we're going to continue with the Christmas theme, being the 2nd of December, and I decided that I'm going to try and draw a holly wreath. So let's give it a go. So we're going to start with a circle. Don't worry if it's not perfect, just do your best. Okay, and then we're gonna start with some leaves. And you don't have to make these identical. I suppose it gives it a slightly more natural look if they all look a little bit different. But anyhow, we're just gonna kind of get them on one side first. And again, they don't need to be perfect. They kind of have this iconic shape. Just keep going. We're just going to turn the page, makes it a little bit easier to draw with. Oh, that's it. One more here. So when you get to this point, we're just going to do the inner part of the circle. And what I would suggest doing is kind of do it in between. This will fill the gaps a bit better. And you don't need to have an identical number of leaves on the inside. Again, it's just going to be some gap fillers more than anything. And again, just keep turning the page. And I just squeezed one last leaf in there. Okay, so when we get to this point, we're just gonna add some berries. Okay, so we're just gonna use the red marker pen here. And there's no actual system as to how I'd like to add these. You can make unique numbers of berries here. You don't have to have them into each and every gap. Whatever you feel like. And of course the other thing is you can add them to either side. Whatever makes you happy. Shall we add a few more to the inside? I think I will. And you can make some of them a bit smaller, some a bit bigger than the others. Okay, I think I'm finished with mine. So hopefully you managed to find this one not too difficult. Again, it doesn't have to look perfect, but I'm actually quite happy with mine. Alright, so this is it. I hope to see you again.